Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Today we are cooking this naughty little surf and turf pasta dish. It's full of lovely plump prawns, crispy chorizo in a nice deep rich garlicky tomato sauce. And guys, the best thing about this one is I'm not cooking it. Imogen's going to cook it for me today. Happy days. Thank you, Imogen. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. So, Dad, can you start chopping up the chorizo?
Yeah,
and
sure.
Basil and garlic cloves. Whilst he's doing that, I'm going to go put the pasta over there and put it in the boil, and it's going to boil for about 9 minutes.
Okay, and what is that? Spaghetti, yeah?
Yeah, but you can use any pasta you really have at home. So, yeah.
Lovely. Very nice. I can't wait. So I've got here some chorizo. So it's probably a third of a chorizo ring. And how do you want this chopped up? Do you want it in slices, Imogen, or do you want it diced?
Diced, please.
Okay, perfect. So I'll dice that up as best I can. Sharp knife. It's very tough, isn't it, chorizo? So what made you think about cooking this for me today then, Imogen? Although I seem to be doing most of the work, but yeah.
Well, I just felt like I should cook Dad a meal, and I know he loves chorizo, basil. He loves garlic, he loves spice, and he loves prawns.
Oh, well, there you go.
And he loves pasta.
This is a match made in heaven. Okay, so your chorizo is done. And what do you need done with the garlic? Does that need to be sliced or do you want it diced?
Diced.
Okay, so just take that skin off. Oh my God. There's a first for everything. Look how easy that skin came off there.
You should have used your garlic thing.
I know, but every time I use it, it goes wrong. It just, like, I use it and I'm trying to be flash with it, going, oh yeah, do all this, right? And it comes out and the skin's still on it. It's blinking useless.
Yeah, no, because you're supposed to hold it in your hands. You're supposed to go like this.
No, it says in the instructions you're supposed to put it on the top.
Oh.
And I don't know, it just never seems to work for
Well,
me.
it worked when I went like that. Next time, try it like that. Where it's rolling in your hand.
Okay, or maybe I'll give it a go. Okay, so your chorizo's done. Does this go straight in the pan? Do you have to heat it up, I think?
So I'm going to put it in the pan.
Okay. Do you know how to work that? Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah, I can work it. So.
Sorry guys, you've probably noticed the past few videos been cooking up the top here. It's because our our hob is being fixed at the moment. So it's been out of action, so using this. But I quite like cooking up here. It's quite nice to be right up here. Okay, right, so I've diced the garlic. Oh, my hands stink. I'm just going to wash my hands.
We've been having to use like a lighter to work the hob, and it's such a pain.
Yes, it has been a pain. Okay, so what are you going in with first then?
So I'm going to go with the chorizo over here.
Oh, hold on, I'll bring it over for you.
Yeah, okay.
Let's make that easier on you.
I'm just going to move that there.
Okay, so chorizo, you want it straight in, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so there's your chorizo. Okay, what are you going to do next? This is your recipe, so I don't want to interrupt. How long are you going to cook that for?
About 2 minutes until the chorizo is cooked.
Oh, okay. What, has it got to go crispy or?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, interesting. Okay, looking forward to this, Imogen.
We're just going to keep on stirring it around.
It smells great already, Imogen. I love that smell.
I love the smell of chorizo. It smells so good.
It is one of my favourites, without a doubt.
So now that the chorizo is all cooked, we're now going to add in a pinch of chili flakes.
Lovely.
And some raw king prawns until they go pink.
Oh, lovely.
So we're going to add the chili flakes in.
Love the chili. You haven't touched it though, have you?
No.
No, thank God.
And the king prawns. And we're going to wait for those. Whoa.
That's it. I'll move that out of your way.
And we're going to wait until this goes sizzling. Well, sizzling?
Well, you want those
pink.
prawns, I guess, to go pink, yeah? We want to start to get a bit of colour on them.
Don't want to eat them like that.
Oh, wow. Love it. And they're already starting to colour those prawns up, aren't they? And I guess those prawns are already taking on that lovely smoky flavour. Oh, Imogen. Cannot wait.
Look at that one. That's already going pink.
This is a real treat for me.
So now that we've let that cook for a couple of minutes, we're going to add in our garlic. So Dad, can you put that in for me?
No problem. I'm here. Just straight in, yeah? All of it?
Yep.
1 clove. Oh, get it all off. There you go.
And we're just going to carry on stirring that.
Do you need me to do anything like chop a little bit of this basil or?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Yeah.
no worries. I'll do some of that. Oh, another smell I absolutely love. Basil just reminds me of Mediterranean holidays, isn't it? Like being in Italy or somewhere nice and sunny. unlike here. Okay, so
I mean, it's pretty sunny today.
Yeah, today's pretty sunny, but...
It's better than what it was yesterday. Yesterday we had a bit, not a storm, but like it was so rainy.
Oh, it was terrible. Well, there was terrible rain everywhere, wasn't there?
I was at school and I had to stand in the rain.
Okay, there you go. There's a bit of basil there. Oh, that looks delicious. And then, so I see what you've done here, Imogen. Very impressed.
I've got
Muti.
some passata, muti, because I know Dad loves the brand of muti. This is 400 grams, but because it's only Dad eating, I'm only going to do half of it. So, but if you're eating for 4, then you'll do the whole thing.
So 200 grams, guys, of the passata.
Muti.
Yeah, muti, passata. But I guess, you know, yeah, this would feed probably one person. Probably could use a bit less, but yeah, go in. I like the tomato. Yep. How much is that? Got any more? Yeah. Is that half?
Don't know. I
Can't
can't
see.
really
The label's like.
The label's covering it.
Yeah, you could probably go a little dash more, and then we can save it and use it for something else.
If we want to use it again for this recipe.
Well, yeah, I might ask you to cook this again for me tomorrow, as long as I don't have to do the prep as well. You know, I want it properly cooked for me. And the basil, do you want to add some basil in there now, or?
Yes, please.
Okay. There you go.
It's like stopped sizzling now because like the muti's taken over.
Plenty of basil, plenty of basil.
Dad loves his basil.
Okay. And then how long do you cook this for, Imogen?
I think about 5 minutes.
So what, you just want to reduce that down, I guess, yeah?
Yeah. Because it's pretty thin itself, you're going to, when you cook it, it's going to go a lot thicker and it's going to go down. Okay.
Well, I have to say, if I was eating with my eyes and my nose, I am all over this, Imogen. I cannot wait for the finished dish. Doing a great job. So that looks, is it done? Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I'm really happy with this consistency, Dad. Can you go grab me the pasta?
Sure. Yeah, no worries. I'll drain it off quickly.
Thank you. Oh, this smells so good.
Let's bring that. Okay.
Can you pour it in for me?
Yeah,
I don't want to burn myself.
Right, can you get me those tongs? We had some tongs there. I'll just use that. I don't want to use the other ones, so I keep scratching the pans. It's cost me a fortune. Let's get some of that in there. How much do you reckon, Chef?
I think that will be good.
Yep, okay.
Yeah, and then we can always add more.
There you go, for you to give it all a good swill around.
So I'm gonna now coat all the pasta in this lovely sauce that I've made. Well, me and Dad have made.
Well, yeah, I think you've made this.
I came up with the idea.
Only been watching.
Yeah, well, you chopped it up for me, so. Actually, Dad, could you mix it for me?
Yeah, I can do. Yeah, no worries.
You're probably going to be better at it, because I'll probably spill it.
I don't know about that, but...
I'll probably spill it all over myself.
Oh, Imogen. Great. Good amount of sauce there as well, which I like. I like it nice and saucy, as you know. Get that all mixed in, yeah? Perfect. Okay.
This is actually a really easy dish, guys.
Well, it is really easy, because I'm not being funny. This takes, what, under 10 minutes to cook, and what, 6 ingredients, I think, I counted?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, okay, so I think that's probably ready, Imogen. Let's turn that off.
There you go.
There's a bowl. Just plate this up.
I'm gonna...
Yeah, I'll come this side actually.
Yeah.
That's probably better, isn't it? Yeah. Let's get that nicely on there. Those lovely prawns. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, you need to get all those gubbins.
This is a portion and a half.
That's supposed to be just
all
for you.
All the gubbins. I think, well, maybe we'll share this, I think. We've over-egged it. Sorry, you have, not me. Not my recipe. I just followed instructions there.
True.
That looks amazing. Just put that on there. Get rid of that. And you asked me to get some other bits of basil. What, do they just go on the top, yeah?
So, just put it on the top.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So just like...
Oh, presentation. Whereabouts do you want it? In the middle, or?
Yeah, in the middle.
Oh, okay. I can.
Stick it
There
in
we
there.
go. Look at that.
It's like you're burying it.
So, Imogen, what is your dish called?
King Prawn and Chorizo Pasta dish.
Well, I have to say, it looks absolutely yummy. I cannot wait to give this a go. Okay, Imogen, so who's going to get the honours? Who's going to go first?
You, because I cooked it for you.
Ah, thank you very much. Very kind. Let's have a little dive in here. Wow. Honestly, it looks absolutely delicious.
I have to save some for Mum.
No, you don't have to worry about that. We'll polish this off. Don't worry about that. Honestly, I mean, just to come up with something like this, for me, today, all the ingredients I love, it's amazing. Thank you.
Got a bit of everything there. I'm going to have a little...
Oh, Imogen. That is a little bit special. That is definitely a little bit of me.
Oh, gosh.
Really good. That chorizo, nice and crispy. Adds such great flavour to that dish. Prawns are cooked perfectly, so well done you. Really good job. Guys, you know, as we said, you saw how easy this was. Sorry, Imogen, I'm not trying to take anything away from your amazing cookery skills, chef. But, you know, 5 ingredients, under 10 minutes to cook, make a great midweek dinner, make a great weekend meal. As a matter of fact, Imogen, don't tell Mummy, this is the sort of thing I could cook for Mummy on Valentine's. It'd make a great Valentine's evening recipe, don't you think? Nice, got that little kick to it. You know, a little bit of the Valentine's devil in it. It's got the prawns, that surf and turf feel. I love it. Can I have another little, do you mind? May I?
I made it for you, so...
True. Very good point.
It's more
oh,
for me.
God, there's just prawns everywhere.
It's more for me and you now, because
just go in there. I think you have done an absolutely stellar job on this. Really, really impressed.
The chorizo really just adds to it, though.
It does. I don't think it would be the same without the chorizo. Definitely need that chorizo in there.
It gives it like a smoky taste.
Lovely. High five. Well done you. You can cook for me any time. Guys, really appreciate you tuning in and watching through to the very end. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. And if you could like and share, it really does help the channel. If you've got something you'd like to see us cook, please do send it through.
I'll cook it.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Offer from Imogen, one you can't pass up. Imogen will cook it for you. Fantastic, love that. And Imogen will put all of the details, will you?
Yep,
Yeah.
I'll put it in the description.
Yeah, brilliant. In the description down below, details of this lovely chorizo King Prawn tomato pasta, and I will vouch for it. It is absolutely spot on.
It's
delicious.
perfect if you have people coming over because it's really easy to cook.
Yeah, it is really, really easy. So guys, from us, until next time, all we've got left to say is, it's cooking good.